one day suddenly I got a cough, and with the cough there was a lot of blood. So we went to a local hospital. They were unable to investigate, so that is the reason they recommended a Max hospital.
So when we went here, we tried everything to save my sister, but it was very critical situation to save. So we met with the doctor like Arun Diwan and Khandelwal sir.
So when I first saw Mrs. Ruqaiya, she was in the ICU on a ventilatory support. She was very sick, very critical. She has already bled a lot before I saw her. She was 28 weeks pregnant and was having massive haemoptysis, which is blood in her cough. She was 28 weeks pregnant and was coughing out blood in great amounts, to the extent that she was to be intubated.
So when I got admitted here, like I said, because I was bleeding so much, and at the same day I was unconscious and I went on ventilator. Doctor took the decision, consulting with my family, that they need to go through lung lobectomy because nothing was working, and that is the reason they did the lobectomy to me, because I was bleeding so much.
The non-surgical methods of stopping the bleeding unfortunately did not work in her favor, and there was no other option but to undergo an emergency thoracic surgery. The upper lobe of her left lung was completely destroyed and was the source of bleeding. We talked to the family, explained them the gravity of the situation. They were quite considerate and understood the problem and agreed for surgery.
I am doing good, and my baby is also doing very well now, recovering from the lung lobectomy, and currently I am on medication. So it was a very painful journey, but yes, it was all worth it.
Yeah, the thing I will say that it is very, like, I was very relieved to know that the doctor and the staff was very helpful and very supportive at the time of operation, and they were very giving us the relief of you do not have to take so much tension, every will be good.
Today she came to us for a follow-up in the outpatient department, and I am very pleased to know that she as well as her baby are doing well.
That the doctor and the staff have give us the all confidence and like support they have given to us, and that was really grateful and helpful for us to like make a decision.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.